Hi there, welcome to my English class. In this video, I am not going to teach you English, but I will show you some ways to learn English. Most people learn English by watching YouTube, but YouTube only supports one language subtitle. Use English subtitle, it takes time to translate. When I use Chinese subtitle, I can't really practice my English. So I strongly recommend you guys to add this plugin called Joy. Please don't underestimate just because it's a plugin, because its functions are much better than many software. When you put your mouse on the subtitle, it will pause the video and auto-translate the vocabulary. Another useful function for me is the blur subtitle. It helps us to practice our listening skill. It's suggested that you use blur subtitle in the video, and then check whether you understand the content or not. There are more interesting functions waiting for you to discover. Another plugin is a skiffi. It helps us to take note in YouTube. While watching YouTube videos, just press a button. You can get the past 15 seconds YouTube subtitle. And I can edit the note in bold, underline, changing the font color, highlight, and even add pictures. The function that impressed me the most is it records the timestamp of the video. When I press the time button, the video just jumps to the time I recorded. The note can be synchronized. You can even check it on your phone. That will be convenient to stud when you are waiting for the bus. While eating, just check the notes to strengthen the knowledges you learn from YouTube. Next, I want to introduce you to improve your efficiency in translation. Compared to the Google Translate, let's see which one is more efficient. By Google, I copy, search, and paste to get a definition. It takes 7 seconds each. We translate 10 times a day. We spend around 7 hours a year. But don't worry, UDAO will save you time. Mouse translation.
Pneumoconiosis.
And just put your mouse anywhere, it will detect the word and pronounce it automatically, which makes translation easier than ever. Screen capture translation. It can translate the page by screen capture. When we are confused with the translation, we can go back and check the document. I hope the plugins and software introduced in the video could help your English. That's all for today. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.